Creators are abusing the algorithm to get rich from social media right now. Have you ever wondered how people like Iman Gadzhi, Mr. Beast, Luke Belmar, and Andrew Tate seemingly popped up overnight and instantly became famous? Well, it wasn't by accident. They did this by exploiting a brand new system and platform that makes it impossible for you to escape them on your feed. So whether you're gonna become famous for yourself or just make a lot of money doing this for someone else, listen closely because this new industry has created an underground economy and people in the shadows are getting rich without ever showing their face online or making content themselves. So if you don't know, every social media platform's algorithm lets you repurpose content, meaning if someone else posts a viral piece of content once, odds are that it'll go viral again. You just need to slightly edit it and repost it on a new account. Most YouTubers just make a video, post it once, and call it a day, not realizing that they are leaving 95% of their potential views on the table. And this also means the businesses these YouTubers are running are only making a fraction of the money they could be. But smart entrepreneurs have realized that if they find one winning piece of content, they can use it again and again and again. This is actually how Andrew Tate became the most famous person in the world and scaled his business to $20 million per month. He put all of his most viral content in a Google Drive folder. Then he had a small army of 100 people/affiliates repost across thousands of accounts, and boom, he abused the algorithm to become the most famous person in the world. Why isn't everyone doing this then? Well, the truth is, it's hard. Not all creators have hundreds of people to post, and compiling all of your content over the years and organizing it in one place is very hard and can be time consuming for a creator already worrying about making content and managing their business. So that's where you come in. Luke Belmar, Tate, Iman Gadzhi, Kai Cenat, even Mr. Beast. All of the guys at the top of social media have someone like you behind the scenes helping them exploit the algorithm and distribute their content hundreds of times per day to grow their brand and business. This guy behind the scenes is called a clip curator. You're not editing clips or running a theme page for these guys. You instead find and curate all of their winning content, organize it in a folder, and then get 20 people to start clipping it up and reposting it across 100 accounts. These accounts will get millions of views for the creators, which will grow their personal brand and drive a ton of sales to their business. This is the exact same system Andrew Tate used to scale his business to $20 million per month. But Andrew Tate wasn't the one who set up the system. It was actually his clip curator, his cousin Luke. And the craziest thing is no one knows who Luke is, but now he's a multi-millionaire because he's Andrew Tate's clip curator. Luke is the reason Andrew Tate seemingly blew up overnight and started showing up on everyone's social media non-stop, hundreds of times per day. He took all of Tate's best content, curated it, put it inside of a drive, and got an army of affiliates to start posting hundreds of pieces of Andrew Tate's most viral content. But for the last few years, this clip curating economy has been underground and only accessible to a select few people. Andrew Tate and Luke had to create a whole custom software to host their business and their content distribution system. And that's not possible for you. To replicate what Luke did, you would need to know how to code or spend hundreds of thousands of dollars hiring developers to create a software to run the system. But now everything has changed for you because this new app has made it possible for you to tap into this opportunity from your phone and get rich even if you have no experience creating content or running a business. Before I share what that app is, let me break down how this actually works and how you can actually get paid from this. You can help creators build a distribution system where their content will be clipped and repurposed hundreds of times per day, helping them grow their brand exponentially and in return skyrocket their business. The system that you're building for these creators is an affiliate clipping army, where clippers are taking content from creators, posting it on sub accounts, and driving traffic to the creators' products, and getting paid high affiliate commissions for every sale that they make. All of the distributors are clipping up content and reposting it to drive sales to the creator's product, and they all get paid a percentage of each sale that they make. And you, as the clip curator who sets up and manages the system, gets paid a percentage of all revenue the clippers bring in. Meaning, you as a clip curator can make thousands of dollars per month in reoccurring revenue. Think about it. If you partner with a creator, build the system, manage it, the affiliates take 30% of every sale they make, you take 20% of all affiliate revenue. Even if you only do a fraction of what Luke Tate did with Andrew Tate, and instead of hitting $20 million per month like them, you only hit $40,000 per month, you would be making $8,000 per month profit without ever having to make content yourself or build your own product. And the best part is, every creator in the world can benefit from this. Every single creator. A clip curator isn't meant to just work with the guys like Kai Cenat, Mr. Beast, Andrew Tate, and all of the people who are already at the top with millions of views, printing millions of dollars. That's how it's been up until now. But everything has changed with this new app. Now, the everyday fitness creator with an online community helping his audience get in shape can benefit from having a clip curator help grow his brand and business at the same time. Big or small, it doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter what niche they're in either. Now, creators in any niche that are already making content and running a business through their personal brand can benefit from this and continue to grow their brand and business. This is the opportunity. The industry that has been silently running social media behind the scenes for the last few years. And now this industry is at the tip of your fingers. This is extremely untapped and will continue to grow and be in extreme demand as social media continues to grow. Every single creator that is looking to make a full-time living through social media needs a clip curator to help them scale their audience and business. I personally paid $10,000 to have this system installed for my own brand and audience earlier this year and know a handful of clip curators that have been making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month by simply installing a copy and paste system for creators. Take Musa for example. He's the guy that I paid $10K to who installed the system for me earlier this year. He blew up Sneeko and Gideon with this system as a teenager, and now he makes over $50,000 per month from clip curating. And this is one of his side businesses that's not even his main focus. Or take a look at the guy running the underground clipping Discord for some of the biggest names in the space. He makes hundreds of thousands of dollars per month in his early 20s. Or take 17-year-old me who made $12K my first week from testing the system out on my own shitty podcast while living with my parents. And now, thanks to this new app, becoming a clip curator has never been easier for you. Everything has been streamlined and it is now possible for you to start profiting thousands of dollars per month from your phone. The new app is called WAP, and you're able to start making money clip curating all from this app. Here's how. On the WAP Discover tab, you'll find thousands of creators that are making content and selling a digital product on WAP's marketplace. First, find a creator that has a product that has good reviews and that is building a personal brand by posting content through social media. Once you found a creator on WAP that looks like a good fit, reach out to them and pitch them on helping them scale their personal brand and business by curating their best content, then building an affiliate clip distribution army. In the pitch, you're going to offer to build this out for no money up front, and all you want is a % of all the affiliate revenue. The benefit for the creator is they don't have to do any extra work and they can keep making content, and their brand is going to exponentially grow, and in return their businesses as well. And they don't have to pay you $1 until you make the money first. It's a no-brainer offer. Then you can use the WAP app to build a private clip distribution system inside of their current community. Curate all of the creators' best content and upload it on WAP for the clippers to use. WAP allows you to give all of the affiliates a custom link that will track each sale that they make and automatically pay them their commission. You can customize the % or dollar amount that they get paid per sale, and you can also change whether they get paid only for the first sale or a percentage of all reoccurring payments. Now, I spent the last few weeks finding the people who have been running this underground industry for the last few years and learning from them how the system works. I was able to speak to some of the clip curators for the biggest names in the space, and I took everything that I learned from them and put it in a free doc breaking down how the system works. That free doc is the first link in the description. Go ahead and check it out if you want to learn more about how to become a clip curator. I don't know if you can tell, but we are entering a new era. Content is everything. Everyone is competing to get views. And if you learn the skill of clip curating and building content distribution systems, you will never be broke again. And you'll have the power to make someone famous overnight. Social media is not going anywhere, and the people who will make the most out of this era are the people who know how to get attention. If you learn the skill, you will position yourself in the center of this rapidly growing industry and be one of the highest leverage positions that you can be in. Even if your first client doesn't instantly blow up, it won't matter because you understand the distribution system and have a skill that every creator is in desperate need of. Now, I hope you're as excited as I am about this opportunity. I'm going to be taking full advantage of this opportunity, and I'm going to start clip curating myself with my own distribution agency and documenting the process right here on this channel. So if you're as excited as I am about this opportunity, make sure to check out the free doc I made breaking down exactly how I plan on getting into this. It's free, so you really have nothing to lose by checking it out. If anything, you have everything to gain. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.